Hey y'all, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my Glossybox for April of 2021. I just want to say thank you so much, Glossybox, again for sending this over to me. You guys are the best. I am so excited to unbox this and see what I received this month. So if you are into these types of videos, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. The little red button that says subscribe, just click it and it will make my heart very, very happy. And let's go ahead and get into the video. This is always my favorite part that I always leave out of the video. That just makes my heart happy. And you can bundle and save on Geico. Great. Okay, you guys, here is our Glossybox. Let's go ahead, open her up, and see what we have inside. I always love the presentation. It's always so sweet and so cute with a little bow that we have to unravel, which makes me kind of sad. But yeah, so we have our little booklet. This is going to give us information and I think prices. Yes, prices. And so far, looking over this little book really quickly, it looks like we're going to have some great contents this month. So let's go ahead and dive right on in. Boom. Oh, I'm seeing more products in here than I even see in my little booklet. Okay, so there's a lot going on in here this month. Great. So the very first thing on the very front is from Beauty on the Go. This is the limited edition, what is this called? Skin Research Laboratories Mini Kit. The Beauty on the Go Mini Kit. Enhance your beauty wherever you go with this tiny yet mighty trio of products, including mini-sized versions of bestsellers for lashes, brows, and skin. Enjoy these formulas and never slow down, never stop moving, and never stop beautifying. That's so sweet. And this little mini kit here is $74 just for this little mini kit. I've got to see what is inside. So the first product I have is the new brow enhancing serum. And then we have the new lash enhancing serum. Boy, do I need that. As many times as I've worn fake eyelashes in the last 2 years, my lashes are not nearly as full as they used to be. And then lastly, we have the new reflection complexion perfecting polish. So I definitely need to give this kit a try ASAP for sure. So I'm very, very excited to have that. And I can't believe this little guy is $74 just for the mini kit. That's insane. Next up, another big item in the box is this guy here from Freeman. This is the French Pink Clay Peel Off Mask. Pore clearing, smooth skin for glowing perfection. You guys know I hate peel off masks because they hurt, but I'll give this a try because it is pink clay. I love pink clay. It's been one of my favorite type of masks to put on my face. I always feel like it really does tighten pores and stuff. So this retails for $4.99. Excited about this. Hopefully it's good and it doesn't make me cry. Next up in the box, we have a nail polish from NCLA Los Angeles. This actually is a full size and it is $16. This is full size too, if I didn't say that. So yeah, this retails for $16 and it's a really gorgeous color that I would love to wear like right now. It's this gorgeous like muted purple color, if my camera will show you. And I love colors like this. The bottle is really, really cute. And yeah, very, very excited about that. Next up, we have a product from Cargo Cosmetics. I've seen them a time or two at TJ Maxx as well. This is the full-size Swimmables eyeshadow stick. And I have mine in the shade Morrow Bay. And let me just tell you guys, I don't know if you know, but I actually have more eyeshadow sticks than I do eyeshadow palettes. I personally love just using a eyeshadow stick or a single shadow all over my lid, or mix and match a few, because I don't like sitting here anymore doing my eyeshadow for videos. That's what I usually do. So this looks like it's going to be a very beautiful color for like the outer corner, smoking it out, or even lining. And it has like a kind of plummy color to it. And let's get this camera to focus. Very, very, very pretty. This actually retails for 20 bucks, which is kind of the norm that I've been seeing for like single shadows and shadow sticks. So this isn't like out of this world expensive, but honestly, I wouldn't pay this much on my own for a single shadow unless it was like ColourPop, which they just started coming out with these single shadows. So I'm very, well, the shadow sticks, which I'm very excited about. So yeah. very excited about that. And then we have here from Botanic Beauty. I actually have one of their lip masks. Let's see, where is this on this? I'm not seeing this in the book at all, so I'm not sure what it is and not sure the price, but it's a nourishing mascara. All I have to do is read. Volumizing mascara enriched with almond oil and camellia oil. Oh, it is in my booklet. I lied. So this is full size. It retails for $19.90. Thicken, lengthen, and strengthen your lashes with this volumizing formula rich in lash conditioning ingredients. The oversized brush grips and coats each hair, ensuring each lash is separated, defined, and evenly coated. Okay, my lashes need to be nourished for sure. Yeah. So this is the wand to make sure it gets your lashes coated. So I definitely need to hop on this bandwagon of fixing my lashes pronto. Excited about that. Excited. I have 2 more products in this box. This is a little, what is this? Be Calm Quantity 01 patch. Time to unwind to decompress. This transdermal patch is complete with premium hemp extract and other natural ingredients. What do we do? So this one patch is a $12 patch. Oh, containing 15 milligrams of hemp and menthol. This dermatologically, oh, I can't say that word. Oh, dermatologically tested patch will ensure you're calm throughout the day, relieving feelings of stress and anxiety. It's natural, simple, and totally discreet. Oh, apply one patch. Patch may be worn up to 12 hours. Peel and place on inside of wrist. Okay, so when I'm having a very irritating day, I'm gonna wear that. Okay, I'm gonna wear that, and oh man, what am I saying? We're going to let you guys know how I feel on Instagram, because there's some days where I'm just like so aggravated. So we'll try that out. Okay, last product in here is a cute little product. And this one for sure, I don't think I see in here at all. So this has got to be an extra item because it's absolutely not in here. It says the New York Powders. That's who it's by, I think. Oh no, Kawaii Girl Cosmetics. I don't know what this is, but packaging is so cute. Let's open it up and see. I think it might be like a new brand, and that's why it's in the box. It's not supposed to be. It's kind of like a freebie to figure, you know, out if you like the brand or not. I'm not sure. It looks to be maybe a pigment. This is in Murray Hill. I don't recommend the packaging because there's like red glitter all over it. So we don't like that. Oh, it blew up. Okay. Oh yeah, it's just a powdered pigment in here. Let me try and get a swatch for you guys. Okay, so it's right here. I didn't get too much color on my hand. I apologize, but it was kind of messy. So I don't even know if you can see it right there, but I mean, it's a pretty little color, but I don't know. It's definitely pretty messy. But that's everything that I got in my glossy box for this month. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you get this box? Do you like it? Do you want to get it? La 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 la. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.